Dude, I didn't know where I came from.
That's a good nut on your hair. Only your
Ain't funny, boy. That's pretty funny. Oh my shit me. Alright, we just go. What happened?
Nothing. I need a FaceTime the person at work. Can you?
400 pounds. So I got this year was
Oh wow.
155. So you buy give you $150. First selling today. 150.
$150, $100 US dollars.
US dollar. 150.
Oh, I thought you were talking about $150.
I wish.
I would buy right now.
Yeah, I would buy it right now. But I mean, it's pretty good.
gonna get a watch. I'll eventually buy one. I just want to get the most obviously fake watch possible, just because it's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate. Yeah, it's real. Look at the diamonds in it. Look at the diamonds in it.
I don't know, my buddy's selling his bikes and his cars so that he can buy a Rolex and we'll go give him a fake one. There you go.
Send him the
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
He said these are like, you said 1.5?
1.5, yeah.
What's the cheapest?
Right here, 1.5. It's
that the
with
cheapest?
battery, yes.
The cheapest ones in this collection.
Yeah, the cheaper one, I have this one more cheaper the before I show you.
Oh,
600,000.
600,000.
Ah, can I have a look? Can I have a little look, please?
The before you looking, the very cheap one.
Even cheaper.
Yeah. You know this one? Little bit better. 1,000,005.
What makes it? Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels
stainless
real.
steel. This is a battery. But this one,
This
they
one
make the
feels-
stainless steel. This one is not stainless steel.
I understand.
You see, this is a ceramic bezel.
Can this?
Content, yes.
Can I have this in extra large?
Joy, call size 11 in this color.
This one good?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one good.
In this color. Yeah.
And this one good too, yeah, so two.
Yeah. 200?
2.2 million.
Này ca này để
$100.
ca này rotate.
Alright, so she charged me 1 mil for one shirt last time. Not too happy with that, so I'm gonna shoot for like 700 each.
Oh, okay.
Which sounds like a lot, but they're heavyweight and embroidered, which no
100.
other vendor has.
Có mua
So.
nhiêu?
No,
Better
no,
quality,
it's
yeah.
okay, just shirts.
Rotate.
Yeah.
And you buy more hoodie?
Was that 60?
Same brand hoodie?
Okay, which, where they at?
US?
Alright, getting up there.
Oh yeah, million.
They don't have it.
Huh? Không có.
Có.
Do you have different designs?
Không sao.
Có.
This just
Có.
different design.
I'll try it on first.
1, 2, 3. This one I sell for someone. This is 2 by 3. This one I give you. I order design very long time.
Alright, she gave me 1.4 for the first offer.
You see this one cheaper.
So 3.
Yeah, I know, so 42.
Huh?
So 42.
So 400,000 each.
No, 4.2 million total.
What?
Because this one the high quality on here like embroider. You see?
I was gonna ask if y'all are from San Antonio, because usually people from
No, we're from Sydney.
yeah,
No idea.
people elsewhere don't really know. Oh, okay.
He's trap people too.
Oh, hey there. How you doing? Welcome back to the video.
We're sitting in a cafe, coffee shop in the middle of Ho Chi Minh City, relaxing, trying not to sweat through my shorts. If you've seen our previous videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. Oh, you talking about this? This little thing? Look at that. Daytime. Date time. Only
3 payments.
3 payments. $1,500. Got a rollie on my wrist.
I know.
Alright, what's up, y'all? We're about to enter Ho Chi Minh City's hidden gem, Susu Waterfall Chicken. Chicken at the front so you can watch exactly how they make the food. Just look at that waterfall of frying oil. Make you want to be a piece of chicken just getting buttered up and showered upon.
There's a wiener here.
Oh, he saw me. Hi. Hi. So friendly. So friendly. Lick the mic. Smell the mic. Y'all getting this? Are y'all getting this? Got anything to say to the people? Yeah. Check out this plate, guys. Oh my gosh. You got the chicken right here, some rice. I'm not sure what the seasoning on it, but it is. It's delicious. Then you got some tomatoes on the side. I can't wait to dig in. And as always, phone eats first.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. And then we'll dip it in the sauce. Wow. The chicken is crispy, nice and juicy. The sauce adds a nice bit of flavor. I don't know what it is. It's like a sesame chicken honey-based sauce, I think.
All right, Dad. Post-game interview. How was the chicken?
Chicken was actually pretty good, except I'm used to Texas chicken. These chicken are really skinny. As you can see, not very much meat on them. These are Vietnamese chicken. I have to order 2 portions. The chicken was gas. No curveball, no change up, just straight gas. Busted.
All right, just finished up lunch at Susu. Didn't really get this earlier, but as you can see, it's in a little alleyway. I mean, you got some nice plants here and various houses and other restaurants and businesses. But, I mean, you can't judge these places from the, you can't judge a book by its cover here. Like, if you're going to come to Vietnam or any of these Southeast Asian countries besides, like, Korea and Japan, I expect everything to be sunshine and rainbows. You're not going to have a good time, okay? So you got to have an open mind. Trust me, you're gonna have a way better time. Let's get down to business. Bui Vien. What's it called again? All right, let's get down to business now. We're at Bui Vien Street. During the daytime, though. At night, it turns into a completely different vibe. Also known as a red light district. If you're familiar with these travel terms. We'll be back here later tonight to show y'all exactly just how different it is. But remember exactly what it looks like right now. We have an insider here, a local even, and he has compared Bui Vien Street to Bourbon Street in New Orleans. If you've heard a little better understanding of just what we're talking about here. Okay, now get a candid one. Like not of me, just like put it at the ground. Oh.
Late at night is
This is what the locals drink.
Drink. This is water. Drink like the locals drink. This is water. Spiritual water.
Serious, huh?
You wanna do it?
They're overrated. What the fuck? We wanted to get sushi for dinner. Obviously, the best place to do that's probably in the Japanese area, mini Japantown. Also happens to be the red light district for Ho Chi Minh City. And our tour guide took us straight through. What do we call that? Bermuda Triangle of of the red light district.
Bermuda Triangle.
But she's very sweet.
So we finally made it to the restaurant. Got some sushi. Gonna eat some here and then try out another one. Probably just like restaurant hop. And yeah, cool.
Okay.
Oh man, okay.
Hold on, I need my salt.
Hang on. Oh, joy, look, check my right, stop mine.
Oh, pepper.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, yo.
Fuck.
One. Okay.
Come in. Con cho coi. Dạ, cảm ơn.
How much you give him?
50.
Sounds fucking
One night
awesome.
tip. Oh my god.
Let's do it again. Let's fucking go around.
That's fucking wild, dude.